How does an object's mass affect gravity? Imagine holding a tennis ball and a bowling ball. If you drop them at the same time from the same height, they hit the ground together. Why? Because gravity pulls on everything equally, regardless of size. But there's more to it when we talk about how mass influences gravity itself. Every object with mass pulls on every other object with mass through a force called gravity. The bigger the mass, the stronger this pull. Think of the Earth and the Moon. The Earth's mass is about 81 times larger than the Moon's. That means Earth's gravity is much stronger, which is why objects weigh more on Earth than on the Moon. Gravity is described by Newton's law of universal gravitation. It says the force between two objects depends on their masses and the distance between them. The more massive the objects, the greater the gravitational force. For example, a planet with a larger mass pulls on objects more strongly, making them weigh more. This force is proportional to the product of the masses. So if you double the mass of an object, the gravitational force it experiences or exerts doubles too. If you triple the mass, the force triples. That means a larger mass results in a stronger gravitational pull. The weight of an object is the force of gravity acting on its mass. On Earth, the acceleration due to gravity is about 9.8 meters per second squared. So, a 1 kilogram object experiences a force of about 9.8 newtons. But on the Moon, where gravity is weaker, the same 1 kilogram object would weigh less because the gravitational pull is smaller. In space, the mass of planets and stars determines how much they bend spacetime, creating what we perceive as gravity. The more mass an object has, the more it warps spacetime around it. This warping guides the movement of planets, moons, and even light. Understanding how mass affects gravity is essential for space travel and satellite deployment. Heavier objects need more energy to escape Earth's pull. When planning missions, scientists calculate the gravitational forces involved based on the masses of planets and spacecraft. So, in simple terms, the larger the mass of an object, the stronger its gravitational pull. This is why massive bodies like planets and stars have such a big influence on their surroundings. Whether it's keeping satellites in orbit or understanding how galaxies move, the link between mass and gravity is fundamental to how we see the universe working.